Lord, behold, he whom thou lovest is sick.
This sickness is not unto death, but for the glory of God, that the Son of God might be glorified thereby. Let us go into Judea again.
Master, the Jews of late sought to stone thee, and goest thou thither again?
Are there not 12 hours in the day? If any man walk in the day, he stumbleth not because he seeth the light of this world. But if a man walk in the night, he stumbleth because there is no light in him. Our friend Lazarus sleepeth, but I go that I may wake him out of sleep.
Lord, if he sleep, he shall do well.
Lazarus is dead. And I am glad for your sakes that I was not there, to the intent ye may believe. Nevertheless, let us go unto him.
If thou hadst been here, my brother had not died. But I know that even now, whatsoever thou wilt ask of God, God will give it thee.
My brother shall rise again.
I know that he shall rise again in the resurrection of the last day.
I am the resurrection and the life. He that believeth in me, though he were dead, yet shall he live. And whosoever liveth and believeth in me shall never die. Believest thou this?
Yea, Lord, I believe that thou art the Christ, the Son of God, which shall come into the world.
Go and bring thy sister.
Lord, if thou hadst been here, my brother had not died.
Where have you laid him?
Lord, come and see.
Behold, how he loved him.
Could not this man, which opened the eyes of the blind, have caused that even this man should not have died?
Take ye away the stone.
Lord, by this time he stinketh, for he hath been dead 4 days.
Said I not unto thee, that if thou wouldst believe, thou shouldst see the glory of God? Father, I thank thee that thou hast heard me. And I knew that thou hearest me always. But because of the people which stand by, I said it, that they may believe that thou hast sent me. Lazarus, come forth.